smart investor, good afternoon. This is King Scott reporting live here at Lekki Scheme 2. For some of you who are familiar with Lekki Scheme 2, this is the Adesanya Ajah, and I'm so much happy right now. This is Dawnhill 1.0. When they started this project, I told you they were going to deliver. Now, it has been delivered. As you can see, there are residents here, there are people here. Now, Dawn 2.0 was also delivered. Trust me. Look at this. This is Dawnhill 3.0. You know the fascinating thing about this project? Please come in. The fascinating thing about this project was that they started construction of this project for March this year. Look at what is available. So we have 2 units of 2-bedroom left for sale at 80 million outright purchase. Okay, if you want a 3 month, we can probably work up something. As you can see, so residents here now should be in their house maximum January, February next year. They'll be handling their keys. So this does not afford you the flexibility of it because we have just 2 units here. Now I'm going to show you the video of what is being done here. Trust me, see, there is no structure for this one. The developer has promised, has shown, has proven to be the best in our field. Trust me, we have the required setbacks, we have the required building approval, we have a very good title, we are inside the government's layout, so there is no issue at all. Look at it, look at around, look at the houses around. So this one will be church. In case you are interested, beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. Look at the masterpiece. Okay, you can get this. Only 2 units of 2-bedroom apartment available. So give me a call. Be the fastest finger. All right, so this is the Dawnhill 5.0 here at the same adjacent Dawnhill 3.0 and Dawnhill 1.0. Now trust me, see, this is actually one of the best investment opportunity. Delivery year is April 2026. Trust me, even before April 2026, you will definitely recognize this place. So this is one of the best real estate investment opportunity. You can get a 2-bedroom apartment here for 85 million and 3-bedroom apartment here for 95 million. In terms of rent, the developer will manage your rent and of course remit your money for you annually. So this is a very good investment. This is the Adesanya Lekki Scheme 2. The Muniru mall is not far from here. The recently launched Ajah mall is not far from here. The mother and child hospital is not far from here. The Charter School is just 10 minutes drive from the one. I'm saying 7 minutes drive from here. This is the Lekki Scheme 2, Adesanya, and trust me, this is where investment in the future. So if you are a real estate investor who like luxury and who wants to multiply, see, investments like this are strictly for people who want to multiply their wealth. If you understand the concept of real estate investment, you will understand that buying rental apartments in prime locations like Adesanya Ajah, Lekki, Lagos is the best.